So the video game mask creation thing is going pretty well, and it's inspired me to make some low poly masks. Some of you that have been following me have been watching my journey and liking and sharing stuff, so I appreciate that. Thanks very much. It is now ready. It's uploaded. I have got it in two places now. We have got it up in Maker World, which is linked to the Bamboo Studio program, so you can, if you're already in the program, you can get to this Maker World through your app, and you should know how to do it. And then just open my stuff. So basically just go to the main page, type in low poly mask. Seems to be the best thing at the moment, seems to be quite up there, and I'll be there. There's not many of us here at the moment, and click on that, and that will allow you to download all the files. Now, this was created in, well, originally it was created in Blender and transferred over to Bamboo Studio, where I printed it using the Bamboo A1 FDM printer, and it's printed out really great. I have to say, what was I going to say? I've not tested it with resin, so I don't know if it would work with resin, but I can't see why it wouldn't. The files available here in Maker World are specifically for Bamboo Labs, but you can import it to Orca, or you can export the STLs. Or if you just want the mask and you want to print it in resin or another program, maybe Orca's your jam, maybe you want to do it in Lychee, come on over to my shop, coinupanimator.com. You follow the links there, and you'll find my mask up on there ready to download as well. It's free to download. I'm not charging anything for these. Download them, just see how you go, and yeah, it should work. I just want to say one thing. So the mask that I've made, I put it on two plates. We've got one plate where you print everything else out with these like little keys down there. Now these are clasps, and these clasps are designed to go in here into the back of the mask. We've got three eyelets, so you can either attach it to your head through traditionally around the sides, but there's also an overhead option as well if you want like extra stability. But these little gadgets actually work. Actually are designed to slot into the back of the mask, just to make slipping the mask on and off a little bit easier, so you can fix the string to your head better. I don't know if it's going to work. Some people may not like it. I would suggest doing the ones at the side. Don't bother with the one on the top. But the clasp just pokes out a little bit. It shouldn't dig into your face. It doesn't dig into mine. This little bar down the bottom, you can snip that off if it's in your way, but I've put it there to give myself a sort of breathing room. And as you can see here, it's a very, I think it's a great looking mask, really. I print it fairly small, so sort of like cover a balaclava sort of size, but that's just me. That's what I like doing. So as I said, you can either go to Maker World, you can go to coinupanimate.com, Maker World. I'm there, and I will, as soon as I've tested my resin-based masks, I'll start uploading them to Maker World as well. I think what I need to do is to start getting my masks out. They've been sitting in the computer. I need to print and test them, but they're almost ready. So they will gradually be uploaded to the website as and when I know they categorically work. At the moment, I'm not doing print on demand. That's just an extra sort of hassle at the moment, but I am considering it. You can follow me on my vlog channel, which is Coin Up Animator, at Coin Up Animator, or follow my animations at Coin Up Animations, or my various other different places. But you know the drill. Alright, thanks very much, and more to come.